There are several ways to learn data analysis using Power BI. In fact, there are a lot of free resources out there on the internet. And this is why we are doing it differently. We are introducing to you a workshop. In this workshop, you'll be able to have opportunity to interface with the expert in a live session, so you can ask questions at every point in time. Beside that, you will learn what it takes to build a creative solution from ground up. We will discuss the idea together. What are the components that we need to put together to achieve that solution? We will also start with data gathering, putting data in the right way to allow you to achieve that. A lot of you have not started or will not even have the course to start something from scratch. You will either get to a workplace where you just connect to the data that's existed for several years, or be supplied with an Excel file. But in this workshop, we will have to brainstorm together and create the data together. And at the same time, the framework, the modeling, you have so much to learn. Beyond the workshop day, there are resources that are available for you even pre-workshop. Take for example, if this is all about learning Power BI, pre-workshop you're going to have access to a 1-hour free Power BI training. Of course you can consume that, but the uniqueness of the workshop is that the responsibility to understand and master data analysis using Power BI is not going to be only on you, but most importantly on the teaching methodology. You can leave that for our expert to cover. This is a huge opportunity, and the fee is very discounted because we are very interested in helping people to grow. Microsoft has projected a lot of millions of job roles in the data analysis space, and this is the way we can help people to acquire the right skill and move forward. We know you have some knowledge gap. We know you might have taken some Power BI trainings, but there's still something missing. And in the course of this workshop, we hope to cover this knowledge gap with you. Thank you, and what are you waiting for? Click the link in the video to subscribe and to enroll. And if you're on the website, at the right hand side, you can see the button to enroll for this course. Do that and see you at the workshop.